Cubic graphs are what we get when we put an equation with x cubed in them, like this. I've just put a, b, c, and d in place of numbers. They can be plus or minus. They all have these characteristic wiggles in them, and there's, again, like quadratic graphs, really just two features you want to be aware of and maybe point out. First, the roots. So this purple graph has one root, meaning it crosses the x-axis just once there. I've drawn it through 0, but it could be through any x value. And then this blue curve, it's like we've taken the first curve at the turning point and sort of stretched it out in two directions. It has two roots. Well, technically it does have three, but two of them are just identical. There are two roots at that point there. And finally, this third darker curve has three distinct roots where it crosses the x-axis 3 times, and it's like an even more stretched version of the second graph. And like I said, the turning points are the other significant feature. They'll either have 1, like the wiggle, 2, like the second one, or the third curves. You might be expected to identify them, but won't be asked to solve these equations. Just make sure you know how to recognize a cubic graph.